Alright, so let's take a look at session and local storage in Svelte, particularly SvelteKit. It's more or less the same, but there's just a few additions in SvelteKit. So first of all, I created a JavaScript file called the store, imported writable, and browser. Now I imported browser because it's required by SvelteKit to have browser enabled. Bear in mind that when you import browser, it will automatically import the end file. But if you see here, it will give me an error. It will say it does not recognize this import. So bear in mind that we have to tell it where it is. So it will be the $sign app. All right, so let's try again. I made a constant here with an object in it, but the only thing we should focus on right now is the token right here that will be populated. Then I'll subscribe to this token name, and I will say that the browser that we imported and the SessionStorage should set the token to be anything. So now this could be called whatever you like, whatever you want your token to be named. A good idea is to just call it token. This value is derived from the database, but it could be anything. So let's take a look at it. If we just call it something, token 1 2 3 4, save it. Now let's take a look at our app. I go on their application, SessionStorage, and there it is. All right. Now if we go into local storage, we'll see that we don't have anything. So if you want to save something in your local storage, it's practically the same. The only thing you have to change is this right here. We could just rename this local storage running now 2 3 4. Save it. Bam, there we go. We can refresh the site as much as we want. We can even try a new tab, application. There it is. So that's how you get the two differences. You see the session storage is gone as well here, so now only the local storage is available, and that's how easy it is. Thank you guys for watching.